video pakita natin sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga signs of reversals and kung paano natin siya matitrade. Right? So, yung mga signs of reversals na tinatawag natin is yung mga candles, no? Yung mga candles, specific candles na we are going to uh, look at kapag napunta na yung price sa mga support and resistance level. So it's very important that you are aware or that you can identify yung mga support and resistance levels. Okay? So just like this, CAD-JPY, and it's on a continually going up, no, down, uptrend. Okay? So it is possible, no, yung mga trend, bigger trend, especially on a higher time frame. There's a trend within a trend. So pwede yan. And ayun nga, signs of reversals. So first we start with yan, bullish, no? Bullish engulfing. Okay, yan. So kapag may nakita kayong mga ganyan, no, ng mga ayan, yun na yung representation natin, no. Ganda natin ng konti, no. Yan. Okay. So isa pa. So this time, this is on the red. Okay. So why bullish engulfing? This green candle engulfs the last red candle. Okay. Usually you will see this in a support level. Okay. And you're expecting a reversal. Okay. So just like this, if we're gonna zoom in, so this one we identified it as a support level. No, previous resistance becomes support, and as you can see here, yan, this is a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, and it came from a doji. All right, so this one is a doji, and how do we trade it? All right, so how do we trade this one? So you look at the bearish or the bullish engulfing candle, and you need to identify yung resistance level na kailangan niya i-break. Okay? So we identify this as a resistance level. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And we already saw this bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so we don't really need to dive into the trade kapag nakita lang natin na may bullish engulfing. Minsan, it's not really true or possible na it's a fake. So we need further confirmation. Okay? So once this one breaks, no, yung resistance na yan, as you can see here, there's a break. Then that's the time that we can enter the market. Okay? So if dyan di kayo nakasakay, then you have this one. Okay? So nag-create na siya ng higher high and you're expecting a continuation. Okay? So that's how we trade it. So these signs of reversals are actually just signs, no, na it's not really the sole basis of our entry, not the sole basis of our confluence. So it's just one that we need to look at. Okay? Another thing na kailangan natin another signs of reversal. Yan. Okay, natin, no. Uh, Nag-drawing na, no? Okay, so this one is, yeah, this one is a hammer. Okay, usually found in support levels as well. Okay, and let's take a look at where can we find this hammer? Okay, so this one, yeah. As you can see here, this is a support level as well. Itong level na to, yan. Hammer, followed by a bullish engulfing. So regardless kung anong kulay niyan, as long as it's a hammer, ay sorry, yan. Followed by this one, okay, itong mga bullish engulfing candles. Okay. So again, how do we trade it? So we look for further confirmation and okay. Okay, so that's the trend, no? Yan, buray lang natin yung iba. So yan actually yung trend niya, no? There's a reason why there's a hammer din dito in the bullish engulfing candle, right? So that's the trend. And how do we trade it? Okay, so you look for further confirmation. You wait for the next candle, which is what happened here, itong bullish engulfing. And also, mas maganda kung mag-close yung mga succeeding candles niya above the bullish engulfing candle. Okay? So just like this, it closes above. And so we have here, yeah, and we take a look at the previous resistance levels as our target. Okay? So that's how we trade this one, the hammer. And another thing is yung mga doji. Okay? So remove lang natin yung mga drawings natin. Sobrang dami na, no? Okay. So doji, yeah. Doji is actually like this, no? Yung mga ganyan lang. Or meron siyang maliit na ganyan. And you have this one. Okay? Mas mahaba yung mga wicks niya as compared sa body. Okay? So those are the dojis. Okay? So again, we look for the support and resistance levels. Okay? So if there's by the way, if there's a bullish engulfing candle, there's a bearish engulfing candle as well. Okay? So ito yan. Yan. So again, it's on the resistance level and it follows the last candle with this candle engulfing the last candle, no? So again, you trade it as that. So it's either you have a sell stop pending order or you wait for a retest. Okay. So going back, we look at Doji. Okay. So there. And so why is it uh, is it in the support and resistance level? Yes. And so nandiyan po siya. Yan yung doji natin. And again, as you can see here, bounce from our support level, no, on a downtrend, and it went up. Yeah. So here, again, you need to look at where it is located. If it's randomly in the middle, uh, probably it doesn't bear any weight. Okay, so dojis are actually indecision ng market. So magtutuloy ba pataas or magtutuloy ba siya pababa. Okay, so in this case, downtrend going down si price, as you can see, pag tumatama sa support, uh, very very quick na babawi siya pataas, no? In this case, medyo exhausted na. We'll also look for other confluence, no? Exhausted na. So here, pababa siya, but it went lower and then this one is higher, yung RSI natin, that's called the divergence. So uh, that's one of the confluence na kino-consider natin if we see some dojis. And if it's followed by um, candles na bullish, okay, just like this, a hammer, and followed by breakout here, no? So that's our ride. So from here, and you can put your stop here below the last candle. Okay, this is a 4 hour time frame, and again you can target this one. Yeah. Right. So again, these are the signs of reversals. Okay, so we need to look at our other confluences. Signs of reversals are actually just there to give us a hint on where the market is going. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community if you want to learn more about forex trading and you need help or you want one-on-one coaching, you can give me a message there. And yun, nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa bahay natin. See you there.